Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I'm giving you a quick overview for the mAh Pocket Power Bank Pro. So let's start by talking about the design of this power bank. This is an extremely portable and lightweight unit. The device weighs just 200 grams and is easy to carry around, be it in your bag or in your pockets. You get an anti-skid and matte plastic finish on the power bank, which makes it comfortable to hold. There are LED indicators on the power bank signifying the remaining battery life. The power bank features two USB Type-A ports, a micro USB port and a USB Type-C port as well. This is really convenient since you can charge the power bank with both USB Type-C cable or a micro USB cable. Let's quickly give you a roundabout of the features on this power bank. The mAh Pocket Power Bank Pro has a capacity of 10,000 mAh. You get an advanced 12-layer circuit protection on the power bank which protects your device from overheating. The power bank supports 22.5 watt fast charging, which means it will juice up your devices quickly. This quick charge feature is enabled thanks to the Power Delivery 3.0 technology. So guys, that was a quick overview for the mAh Pocket Power Bank Pro. I hope you found this video helpful.